Today I'm going to talk to you about the remote repair vice. Alright, if you see any auto locksmiths or bench locksmiths, they'll have this tool in the van. Okay, it's got many uses to it, but it's all surrounding around doing repairs on a remote. Okay, anything from changing the pins, changing the cases, changing the batteries, anything that realistically, instead of holding one hand to hold the spring in and change the case, you can do it all from that. So I'm going to pass you through to my bench locksmith, Billy, and he's actually going to show you a couple of examples of how you can use it.
So as you heard from Martin then, there's multiple uses for the vice. I'm just going to show you a couple. So first of all, if you're doing need to change a blade on a remote, this is handy for it. All you have to do, clamp the remote into there, making sure the flip's already out, clamp it in so the pin's visible. All you got to do is just clamp it in. Good thing about this as well is you get punch bits. So basically, just put that on the top like that, see where the pin is, and all you have to do, bash it down, like so. And it's an easy way of taking the pin out. All you have to do is just make sure you get the pin back. Also, if you've got another way of using it, is if you're doing a case repair. Now it's like you heard on the video that Martin said, instead of having to use one hand, instead of having one hand to use and trying to hold the remote in with the other hand, if you've got the clamp, then you've got two hands free, so it makes the job a lot easier for you. And also, we use this for button repairs as well. So if a customer comes into the shop and remote needs repairing, this can also be used for button repairs. But then, like I said, like Martin said, there's multiple uses for this, and it's a very good tool to have if you're in the auto locksmith side.